So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to set up the WhatsApp 2 Premium so that you can send broadcast message to anyone on your contact, whether they save your number or they don't save your number. And the best part of this tool is you don't get burned when using it. Yes, that is just the beauty of it. I'm going to show you, and the second one is I'm going to teach you how to set up your autoresponder so that you can respond to messages even while you keep your phone. All right, so let's go to the first one, which is setting up your WhatsApp tool. So first of all, you should have the app. This is the premium app. It from here you discover I'm using the premium app. So premium plan, first of all, it's like this. So we have the basic plan, which is just to remove the ad from here. If you see, we have 2,200. We have the next one 7,013 boss, and we have the next one which is a 5,830. It means you can go straight to WhatsApp Play Store to get the premium plan, but you can still use the freemium, which is the free version, when you install it from Play Store. But if you want to get a premium live access, which is you don't need to pay forever and ever, then you can chat me directly to WhatsApp. I'll tell you how to go about it. All right, so let me show you how to set up um, the WhatsApp tool. You discover I am in the premium plan. It's very, very needed, but you can still use the free one though if you feel like. So let's just close that from here. So from here, you could see the screen over this place. We have the first one, which is the WhatsApp status. It means we can save status from here on our phone. Then the second one is sending chat directly. Then the bulk messages. The beauty of WhatsApp tool is you can send messages to anyone, whether they save your contact or not, in as far you saved the contact to your phone. So if you're thinking of how to extract WhatsApp group contact and get their details and get your number saved directly to your phone, definitely you should check the description on how to do that. There is a link on how to do that. So you don't need a laptop. In case you have a laptop as well, you can use it. No joke. So now we have the bulk automatic messenger in this place. We can just scroll down and see we have the WhatsApp where we have search profile on WhatsApp. We have split long video. I love this feature very well. It means if a video is long, like 10-minute videos, with a split long video, it's going to split them into 30 seconds so that it fits your WhatsApp status. You can just upload it directly to your WhatsApp without having to do the timing for 30 seconds. So you could try it yourself. We have the quick reply. This is not just too effective, but anyway, let's get into business. Let's assume you have the numbers you want to send. You have the numbers directly saved to your phone, or they are not saved. They are just contact you got somewhere. You can start with this one. So let's just start with this one. Over this place, we have the start. So we can start with the start here. I'm going to tap on start. Now, okay. So what's new? Import stuff, albeit we have this. So now from here, I'm going to select the country. That's the first thing here. But I know you'll be thinking, what is even in this place? So I'm going to tap on that place and see. You see, we have demo video, watch guide in English and stuff like that. It's not too useful to me. So we're going to start with this. The country code you're sending to, that is very, very important. It's important you do that. So I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to move down straight to the country. So let's assume you send to Ghana, but I'll choose Nigeria because I'm doing this directly from Nigeria. So any country you are, just select the country code and pick the contact. So I want to pick contact from here. I'm going to allow this to get my contact. So over here, you are given three chances or three options. The first one is to select WhatsApp contact. Second one is to select group. Third one is to select imported contact. You can tap on it and see what type of contact you can select. You can select CSV, which is comma separated value. Yes, I see. Yes, comma separated values. The next one is okay. You can import new one from here, but we'll not be doing that because I have the contact already saved. You can select group. For you to select group, you must have created a group yourself. Yes, you can just tap on new group over this place. Then you can select contact from your phone and just add them to it. Then you definitely going to have a group to send message to. All right, but we won't be wasting much time from here. So I'll just go back a bit and just select the first option this side that said select WhatsApp contact. So I'm going to select this WhatsApp contact from here. Now I'm going to just wait for this to load. Why it doesn't waste time? Because most time all these are network based. So just wait for this contact to load. Definitely it's going to read depending on how large or how numerous your content is. So while wait for this to load, if you're just joining me on my YouTube channel, here on my YouTube channel I talk about things you can do with your phone, things you can do with your laptop easily, mostly free things you can do, all tech tips, update. So if you like to get notified anytime I upload content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As well, don't forget to like this video if you are gaining value at all. All right, so this content is almost loading. Let's just patiently wait for it while it finish. So now all the contact are fully loaded. We just pick one of these, or one, two, three of these contact, and one pick one of three of this contact, or you can select depending on how um, many your contact is. So let me just select the first five since I will not be selecting much. Now we're good with that. Now next thing is to just pick this one here that says select. So I'll select that and say select. Then the next thing here is to write your message. So over this message, I'm going to just make a simple compose and say hello, how are you doing, depending on your message. So you can put anything there and send to everyone. And the difference between these and the broadcast, remember, for you to send broadcast message, it means those people with those your customers or the other party must have your contact saved to their phone before they can receive broadcast. Definitely. So if they don't have it saved to their phone, definitely they will not receive your broadcast message. But if you're using the WhatsApp tool, it means everyone will receive your message. So that is just one of the beautiful part of this. So now we good. The next thing is to select the WhatsApp you want to use. If you want to use your business WhatsApp, you can use WA business. If you want to use the normal WhatsApp, you can as well pick the so I'm going to pick this WhatsApp business. I'm going to hit on next. Then it's going to ask me, do you want manual? The difference between manual means it's going to send the first message, you're going to minimize and come back like this. So let's say you send the first message to WhatsApp, you come back again and start doing this like this. And it's going to be stressful. And I don't advise anyone take this uh, direction. So it's preferable we do automatic, definitely. So now let's just hit on next. Now we have this. The next thing is to pick the most important features. If you don't want WhatsApp to ban you, definitely you should select these and the same way select the anti-ban feature. And this feature is only available for those with a tool. Yes, the premium version. If you're using the free version, definitely you can't activate this. So I'm going to enable this, then I'm going to increase the delay to something 4 seconds. Definitely. So now we have the 4 seconds, we have the anti-ban. Now I can start sending my message by just hitting on start. So I'm going to tap on start, then it's going to select the WhatsApp and say hello, how are you doing? It's going to go back again to the to my to the this thing. Okay, it's going to take me again to the next place, send the next person. So over this place, okay, there's something I'm going to show you um after now. So 2 seconds delay added. So the next thing is going to send this again, then it's going to come back again and pick the next message. I just love the WhatsApp tool because it's very nice, and 5 messages has been sent. So over this place, if you read very well, you will see something like 2 seconds delay added sequentially. So sometimes it's hard depending on how long the contact. If your contact is up to 200, definitely it's going to add sometimes 10 seconds, sometimes it's going to add 8 seconds so that it can beat the WhatsApp algorithm of banning. That is just one thing, and it's good you activate, as I've said, the anti-ban feature. So another way to make sure this WhatsApp works very well, in case it doesn't support your phone, it supports all phone. In case it's not doing the automatic, just restart your phone. When it doesn't send automatically, just close the app, then relaunch the app. Definitely is going to work for you. It's going to work. Then now you know how to do this, you know how to use the bulk SMS. Why not give me a thumb up? All right, now we'll be going straight to the next one, which is how to how to set up autoresponder for WhatsApp. Autoresponder is now the feature, the talk of the town. Why I said the talk of the town is you have numerous contact messaging you every day by the new leads coming to your DM. So you need to find a way to respond to them easily without wasting their time. So now you need the autoresponder. You can get it directly from Play Store. If you tap on Play Store like this, okay. So let me tap on Play Store. You can get the autoresponder. If you search for autoresponder, you can as well hit on autoresponder. So if you have the autoresponder, it has been installed. My feature, the one I have on my phone, is the premium one. You can as well get it. So check on the description. There is a link directly to my Telegram. Join my Telegram. Definitely you get access to it when you come through the Telegram. Okay, now don't update it. So I'm not updating because I already have the premium version for life. So now the next thing to do is to just open um, the autoresponder app. This is how it is. So when you open it, it's like this. I created this one, but I'll show you how to create the autoresponder so that it responds to you while you keep your phone, even when you're asleep. In as far your data is on, definitely it's going to respond to every messages that comes to your phone. Okay, so now over this place we have this, we have this one. Yes. So I'm going to first of all is to turn this on. It's very, very important. And if you check top of my screen, you will see we have this shape there. That is the sign of autoresponder. See it there. Hello, I am your autoresponder. So one thing you should know is autoresponder, you have to check something so that it can work very well for you. It's very, very important to learn it. So I'm going to show you as time goes on so that your autoresponder doesn't crash. It's going to keep on working. If as you on your phone, as you restart your phone, your autoresponder is working very, very, very fine. Okay, so now on toggle this button on and off. The next thing you will see is doesn't work. Yes, so the doesn't work feature, when you're done, sometimes your autoresponder does not work because of some certain things, your phone settings or stuff. So you're going to hit on autoresponder, tap on settings, then you search for autoresponder, then you should just toggle this on and off. But I'm going to teach you how to stop this problem of doesn't work so that your autoresponder work every time you tap on it. So now we have that. The next thing here is to hit on the menu there and see what we have. So autoresponder is available for Facebook, Instagram, TG, VB, and SGNL. Though I don't know what the last three stands for. So we have the Tasker. I don't use Tasker at all. So I don't use Tasker because I use directly from the WhatsApp. So I'm going to just teach you the most important thing, which is the rules. The third one, test your rules and the settings. So let's start with the settings. From the settings, it's good you set your autoresponder to start. So first of all, which version of WhatsApp do you want to use? So over this place, we're going to choose any of them and say you want to use GB WhatsApp, you want to use custom, you want to use any of them. So if you want the message to come from any of the phone, you can leave it at any and let's just see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we'll come and select the WhatsApp we want. So let's just leave it at any for now. So now the next one here is multi-user support, clear version day, stuff like this. All right, I believe that's the only thing we need to touch in this place. So now we could just go a bit back. Now we should set our first, we should test our autoresponder and see if it responds to messages. So to do that, definitely we should use this sign here, which is the plus sign. So I'm going to tap on plus sign. Then it's the first thing is when you receive a message, which type of message are you expecting? Let's say you receive something like hello Austin, which is my name. You are going to ask, do you need a exact match or you need similarity match, pattern matching, expert welcome message? No, I prefer we use similarity matching. In case someone say hello Austin, C is going to, or anyone that is send you hello Austin or CCC, definitely it should respond. So we are going to use the similarity match over there. Now the next thing is what should be your reply. So you say, hey, welcome to my DM. How can I help you? Depending on what you want to put there, depending. So now the next one is the multiple replies. You want it to reply random. If you want random, it means you can add another thing to it and say, please save my contact as Austin and reply done. So now it depends. the one you want. So if you want the person to send you reply done, definitely you should do that. So remember, this is WhatsApp. So when I put two asterisk sign, it means that word is going to be bold when it appear on WhatsApp. Remember, so you can decide to pick just one or all of them, so that they send both of them, or random, so that as the send is first person send you a message, it gets the first one here, or it gets this one, or depending, or it gets this one first before it gets to this one. So it's just a random message, but I prefer let's just use the first one that say, please save my contact as Austin and reply done. So let me just clear this off from my screen. So then we're going to pick just one. So now we have that. The next thing is to pick the delay in seconds. Yes, the delay in seconds is very, very important. So over this plan, I'm going to pick delay in seconds. How many seconds do you want? So let it delay for 5 seconds, then before you reply. So when someone send you a message, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it replies the person immediately. So now we have this ready. So now the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to add submenu. But first of all, let's test this one if it's working. So we have this one ready. It's called Hello Austin. So we'll come here. We're going to test your rule. So we're going to say hello. So first of all, let me turn the first one off since I'm not using it. This one, maybe just tap on that green. If you can tap it 2 times in there. So let's have the first one. So I'm going to test my rule, and this place test your rule. I'm going to say hello. I'm going to send it like, okay, sorry for that. I'll test send it, then I'll wait for a reply in the next 5 seconds to get it. So almost 5 seconds here. If it's not working, there is no need to panic. If it doesn't give you what we want, it means we just have to make sure our autoresponder is working fine. So we'll go straight to the settings from here. So okay, so let me just go back a bit and go to doesn't work. Yeah, then I'll test the rules, then I'll switch it off and on and see if it solves the problem, because these are challenges we get when we don't test this. So then I'm going to tap on this again and ensure this is saved to my phone. So we have that save. Okay, so now I'm going to test the rule again and say hello Austin. I'm going to send that and see if it comes up. If it doesn't come up, then definitely, okay, now we have it ready. Hello, Austin, please save my contact as Austin and reply done. So whatever the person reply done, what is the next message the person should get? That is where the sub menu comes in. So we're going to see tap on this one here. I'm going to tap on this one, then add sub menu to it. So we're going to scroll to the last place of this. We have the sub menu. So look over here, we have the sub menu, which is the plus button. Then we're going to add plus button. So when the person types something like done, what should you reply the person? All right, all right, i have I have a free package for you. Type ready if you want it. Now the person is going to reply ready, then you want it to reply in the next 3 seconds. So minimum of 3 seconds. You can say 3 to 5 seconds you want it to reply, depending. So when the person is done, you can hit on yes. So you go and test your rule again. So now what I'm going to do now is to test our rule from here and say hello. Okay, hello Austin. So we're going to say hello Austin. Then we're going to send this, then wait for that reply to come. And when the reply comes up, now it's a type done. We're going to type done and wait for the next 3 to 5 seconds and see what comes up. If it doesn't come up, okay, all right, I have a free package for you. Type ready if you want it. So if the person wants it and you want more of this, you're going to just click on that, then scroll down to this sub menu, add plus again, and you say when you receive message and say ready like this, then what should you reply the person? You're going to say, all right, wait a seconds. So you just put 3 dots like this. Now you just hit on the check, save it. Now we're going to test our row finally and say hello Austin. We're going to send that, then we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that message should come, because all these are working fine. So we're going to type on done, then wait for the next message, 3 to 5 seconds within that range. Then we're going to type ready. So when the person types something like ready, then we wait for the next response, and that's it. All right, wait a second. So if it doesn't come up, then definitely we should go back there and sort this out and know why it doesn't work, because it is very, very important you know why. So now we have the first one here that says hello Austin. It saves, and we have the next one that says, okay, over display, this is where the problem comes. So we stop at this place that say reply done and type. When the person type done, what is the next message the person gets? That is where the plus comes. Say, all right. So okay, so now the problem there is this: we have a two command at this place, so we have to make sure one is turned off while we click on this one and continue the menu on that. So I'm going to tap on it. Then over this, when the person reply done, then this is over under. We can add the next sub menu. Then we can add plus and say when the person types something like ready, I'm ready. It is now you are going to reply and say, all right, wait a second. So we're going to tap on this like this, and we're going to use this sign. Remember, when you're saving this, it's very key. You use this sign here to save it. So I'm going to tap on that save. Now we have that. You're going to see tap on save again. This place, just keep on saving it. Then everything is saved. Now we're going to test the rule finally before we hello Austin. So hello Austin. Then wait for that to come up. So when we wait for Austin to come on, next 3 to 5 seconds, then we reply that says done. So we're going to say done. Then when it says done, wait for 3 to 5 seconds, depending on what you said. Then I have a free package for you. Type ready. Now we're going to type ready. So when we type on ready, we should get the answer. All right, wait a second. Now the next thing is to test it on a WhatsApp if this is really, really working. So now we're moving straight to WhatsApp. So I'll go straight directly to my WhatsApp and open my WhatsApp. So now we're going to test that same thing on WhatsApp and see. We're just going to type hello Austin. I'm going to send this and wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds and wait for a ready message to come. Okay, please save my contact as Austin and type done. So I'm going to type on done. Then when we type on done, wait for 3 to 5 seconds so that all right, I have a free package for you. Type ready if you want it. I'm going to type ready, then I should get something close to it. All right, wait a second. Sometimes when your own doesn't work, is the reason all you have to do is to just go to doesn't work in this place and go to settings, then go to auto reply stuff, turn this off and turn it on. All right, so that is the beautiful thing about the autoresponder. So it responds to all your messages while you keep your phone and sleep. Sometimes you can be running advert and you want your autoresponder to be responsive. So that is why you really, really need the autoresponder to work very fine. But now the final trick is this. For example, now you don't want this to always close itself. There's You have to check some things on your phone. So over now we're going to go straight to our phone settings. Depending on the type of phone you use, I'm going to go straight to my settings of my phone. Then I'm going to go to app and notification. So I'm going to go to app management, depending. Then I'll tap on app launch. Yes, app launch. When my phone launches, there's some particular app you want. So I'm going to move down to this place and look for the autoresponder where it is in this place. So autoresponder is allowed. So you can just make sure your own is allowed so that it doesn't give you problem. So this is what you should do. Always ensure your app launch anytime your phone launches, it is working. So anyone you don't want to launch, you can turn it off and say you don't want this app to launch except you launch it yourself. Just like most of all these, they are all prohibited. I cancel them. So ensure your autoresponder is working. So in case your own doesn't show, I don't know if you can search for up this button. If you can type up, if you can search for app launch and see. So now, okay, app launch, no results. So another way you can get it, which I think is to check the phone master. So phone master, okay, I believe this is don't mind this app. Phone master can be funny most times. So Okay, now phone master. While we wait for phone master, I'll check if we can get the app launch. So we have the app management here. I have app launch. So over my phone master, depending on the type of phone you use. So app launch here, I'm going to tap on app launch. Why take me directly to where I want? So search for autoresponder for WhatsApp and do it. So now you have that. You can see as well. You do the second way again to make sure this app is authentic. Tap on app management, or okay, app management like this, then move down to the app. So let's just say app settings like this. While wait for all the apps to load, we're going to go straight to autoresponder. Tap on it, then move down to, okay, we have the notifications, we have the permission, we have storage, we have screen time, we have battery. Let's tap on battery. Then for battery, tap on battery optimization and say over display, say not optimized. Yes, not optimized. So, and let's not optimize it. So let's just leave it that way. Let's ensure it's not optimized so that we can enjoy the benefit of it. It's very, very important. So another thing, the last thing you can do now is to ensure you pin it. Yes, when I say pin, just hold down on your menu like this, then move down, lock it over this place. So you can lock it this place. So search for the app, this one, then lock it like this, so that when you clear this, it doesn't clear, it remains there. You see, it's locked in that place, just like the rest here are locked. So you just make sure it doesn't clear. So that is the beauty of autoresponder. So now I believe we've covered everything about this tutorial that says setting up, sending broadcast message without getting banned, and setting up your autoresponder without getting so that you can reply all messages easily without stressing yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video as well. You can share to your friends. So join my Telegram channel through the link below. And if you want to learn how to extract WhatsApp group as well, check the description. You will see every link and how to do this. All right, thank you. I'll see you in my other tutorial.